You can only manage what you can measure. Measure what matters, because close enough adds up fast. Refrigerants are one of the most expensive products leaving your shop. How are you managing your usage? REFit tracks every pound purchased, used, and recovered. REFit offers one simple platform to track everything your business relies on: refrigerant, tools, equipment, and even site keys. No losses, no guesswork, just precise tracking that boosts efficiency and protects your margins. Attach a REFit QR tag to refrigerant cylinders and HVAC equipment. A quick scan of the QR code will track everything in the REFit app on your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Every repair, service, and maintenance history record stays with the equipment. Technicians access it instantly on their smartphone to diagnose faster and work smarter. Manage service records on HVAC units, heat pumps, refrigeration systems, pumps, and boilers, all in one place. Contractors and facility managers can easily reference maintenance repair reports, refrigerant usage and inventory, including EPA and ODS, HAR compliance-ready records. The REFit app also extends to shared tools. Our digital tool crib has sign-in and sign-out tracking. Stop losing time and money on misplaced tools. With multiple employees, accountability matters. Trusted with building access? Key accountability matters. REFit's key sign-out system ensures every key is tracked. Lost keys? Public scans show only your return address for fast, secure recovery. REFit Refrigerant Management. Track smarter. Work faster. Work smarter.